Hi seniors, I wanted to take a moment to commend all of you for the outstanding work that you're doing on your DOLs. Snap it up. I also wanted to share with you one quick tip to help you get the advanced on the presentation category, because I noticed that a lot of the DOL presentations were outstanding and they could have been advanced on presentation if they just changed one thing. So let's take a look at the rubric. There's one bullet point right here. Student commands and utilizes all of the presentation space to their disposal, not standing in one spot the whole time. So, my quick suggestion for this is to make it very simple. When you start your introduction, start on one side of the projector screen. Then when you start talking about college, move to the other side of the projector screen. When you go back to the leadership section, move back to the other side. When you begin the life section, move back to the other side. And when you begin your conclusion, end up back on the same side of the projector screen that you started. This one change, I believe, will help many of you get the advanced section on the presentation category.